Hello students, today you are going to be learning how to find the volume of a sphere. Now spheres are in our everyday life. There are all sorts of basketballs, tennis balls, and anything round that we really use. However, the formula that we use doesn't look like any of the other formulas that we've been practicing. So let's take it piece by piece. So V, once again, stands for the volume of the shape. We have a 4. We have pi, which we use 3.14. And then here we have the radius cubed. So you want to be very careful here. So the radius is still just from the center of the sphere to any of the outside spaces. But you want to make sure you multiply that number by itself 3 times. And then, just like with the cone, we have this divide by 3 piece that we cannot forget to do. So let's go ahead and complete this problem over here. So we're going to have volume equals 4 times 3.14 times 2 cubed, and then finally divided by 3. So let's do the exponent first, just like order of operations tells us to do. So 2 cubed means 2 times 2 times 2. So it's not just 2 times 3 to get 6. Really what we want to do is 2 times 2 to get 4 times another 2, which gets you 8. So then let's bring down everything else. So 4 times 3.14 times 8, and then divided by 3. And now we're just going to go type that in our calculator because it's all multiplication and division. Go ahead and pause the video and come right back. Alright, so when you type that in the calculator, you're going to get 33.493, with that 3 going on until the end of the calculator, which means that 3 is repeating. So you want to put your repeating bar line. Now, once again, this problem was done in feet, and it's still a 3D shape, so you use feet cubed.